Hello, I'm Cynthia from Locksley Distilling Company. Welcome to our cocktail series. Today I'm going to be making an autumnal twist on the Bee's Knees cocktail. It's called the Autumn Sunset. I'm going to start with about 4 sage leaves, if they're a decent size. I'm going to pop those into the bottom of my mixing glass. And then 25 milliliters of a honey syrup. So that's equal parts honey and warm water. If you put honey straight into a mixing glass, it'll just cling to the ice and it won't get mixed into the cocktail. So diluting it down helps with that. And now normally when I make a cocktail with any kind of herbs in it, I'm not massively a fan of muddlers, but with sage, it's quite a strong herb and it does need a little bit of a muddle. So I'm gonna just get in there and just press it down. You don't have to beat it up, just give it a little bit of a press to kind of release the oils from that. And that should be enough. And then 25 mils of fresh lemon juice, or 1 measure. A lot of recipes will say half a lemon or a quarter of a lemon, but I find that not every lemon has the same amount of juice, so I am a stickler when it comes to measuring citrus, because if it's a lot less or a lot more, the cocktail won't be balanced. So it is worth measuring. And then 50 milliliters of sirop of Locksley. And that is going to get shaken with ice. I'm going to give it a good shake until it's chilled and you've got condensation on the outside of the shaker. It's nice and cold. And then that is going to get double strained into a very large American size Martini glass. So right now that would be a sage infused Bee's Knees, but if the next bit works, it adds a very cool flavor and a cool element to it. Put some pomegranate juice into a squeeze bottle and then squeeze it down the side of the glass. And it should sink to the bottom, creating a lovely layered effect. And then top that with a single sage leaf. And there is your autumn sunset. Cheers.